Hello. So I thought I would show you how to install Minecraft and how to edit the profile in the launcher a little bit. So the first thing you kind of need to do is, well, you don't have to do this, but I recommend that you actually go to the java.com website and download and install Java, because Minecraft is a Java-based game. So you click the free Java download, and I'm not going to click this button. I'm actually going down here, see all Java downloads, and down here I click the Windows Offline 64-bit. The game doesn't really need that much memory, but if you're going to play with texture packs and mods, you might need more than 4 gigs of RAM for the game. So, and to be able to give it more than 4 gigs, you need the 64-bit version of Java. So you click that one, and you download it, and you install it. I already have this sort of downloaded or installed, so I don't need to do that. Next thing, you might need actually a Mojang account. Here you see 1.9 has just been released today, like an hour ago. But you need sort of a Mojang account and a sort of player name or in-game name. So you go here and you press accounts and register an account. I already have 2 accounts, so I don't need a third. And in here you actually pay for the game as well, and be careful to sort of use the user account name, and the player name is different. So, but you log in with your email address. So when you have bought Minecraft, you can actually start to download Minecraft, and you do that at minecraft.net. And this is a get Minecraft, and you already bought the game. You click here, download it here. And what I do, you can basically have this MSI file and get Java there, but I don't really recommend it because I think it's kind of old. And what I actually use is this one here under the Minecraft for Windows alternative. I use this one because I think it works the best, and I'm used to it as well. So to download it, you just click on it and you download it. I already have it here. Or you can place it on the desktop if you want to. I'm going to do that for you right now. And I don't want that. Okay, so that's sort of the download. And to install it, you just double click it, and you get this security warning, and you press run over here, and it will sort of download the launcher and install it. And now you need to paste the Mojang account, and you need to actually type the email address. The username doesn't work, so I'm going to pause here. Okay, so after you typed in your email address and the password, and then you press login, you get to this screen. And here you can see some news and links. Nothing special about it. The things are more important are basically down here, your profile. So it will automatically create a profile name with your player name, so to speak. And what I do is actually, it's perfectly fine to just start to click to play here, but I'm going to edit this profile a little bit, because I'm not going to use my sort of player name as a profile name. I'm going to use the version of the game itself, so 1.9. Oops. And over here you see it says use latest version. and it's going to automatically update itself when the latest version comes out, but I want to be able to update Minecraft myself, so I just left click here and I select release 1.9. So this specific profile will always use version 1.9. And then I go down here to JVM arguments, and I select it, and over here where it says Xmax, I'm actually going to change this to and have 3 gigs for the game. And I'm actually, you can do it in 2 different ways. You can either set just 3 and then a capital G, or I want to be more specific. I want to have, like, let's say that you have, let's say, well, whatever, I say 3 gig, and you type a capital M instead, so for megabytes. And then you just save it. And you haven't really installed the game yet. You basically just install the launcher. So what I'm going to do when I press play here, it's going to actually download the game. As you can see, and a bunch of audio files. It will only do this once, and that's the first time you actually sort of install it or starting to play it. And there you go. And you can start play right away. And there are a bunch of options that you can do here. And I'm going to music and sound. Yeah, they changed it. And I'm going to put it down here because otherwise it will be really loud. But anyway, all the options and settings I will show that to you in the next video. But if you just want to start to play, you just press either single player or multiplayer. Single player, it's easy to start. Create a new world. You can name it to whatever you want. And here's you can set the game mode, survival mode, hardcore, or creative. Most people will play it in survival mode. And this more world options is kind of a little bit more advanced. You can use a specific seed. So so that the world, you can, for example, if you have a friend, you want the world to look the same as his world, you can get the seed from him and then paste it in here. Like that. And you can have like bonus chests, yes. And if you want to be able to use commands, you need to have these allow cheats to on. If you want to be able to change the game mode and stuff. Create new world. And the first time you create the world, it will take a little longer time than normal. But otherwise it will load pretty fast. But just the first time you do everything, it will take slightly longer time. And here we go. You're now in Minecraft, and as it says, press E to open your inventory. And here's your inventory. So yeah. And I just earned an achievement. And I know this specific seed only is on this specific little island here. And I'm actually going to change to I can't spell today. You see, this seed is just a little island, and that island, and there's a big ocean. So yeah, and the world loads kind of slow because I'm actually recording now. So yeah, and now you can start playing if you want to. So that's how you basically download and install Minecraft. So see you in the next video.